On this video, I'll be giving you tips and tricks on how to style a pear body shape. A pear body shape is characterized by a small upper body, defined waist, and wider hips, tight and bottom. The main goal of styling a pear body shape is to balance proportion by drawing attention upward and enhancing the upper body while softly flattering the lower half. Hi guys, welcome back to another video. If you are new here, hello, bonjour, ni hao, assalamu alaikum. This is MAMA-MYLES, and on this channel we talk about beauty, we do fashion, we do vlogs, we do a little bit of everything. So just go ahead and subscribe to this channel because definitely there's something for you. Welcome back, and as I earlier said, today we are going to be styling a pear body shape. And before styling a pear body shape, you want to put this into consideration. The first thing you want to put into consideration is that you need to add volume and interest to the upper body. The second, you need to accentuate the waist to emphasize curves, and the last one is you need to minimize attention to the hips and the thighs. So these are the basic three things that you need to put into consideration while styling a pear body shape. In this video, I'll be giving you tops, pants, and dresses you can use to style a pear body shape, and also I'm going to be giving you the do's and don'ts of a pear body shape. The best tops for styling pear body shape are tops that draws attention to the upper body, adding volume to the shoulder and chest while defining the waist. And here are some tops that you want to put into consideration if you are a pear body shape or you are styling a pear body shape. So the first one we have are off shoulders or boot neck tops. Shoulders or boot neck tops helps in widening the shoulder while helping in balancing wider hips and creating a proportional silhouette. The best styling tips for these off shoulder or boot neck tops are to pair them with high-waisted pants or skirt to keep the waist defined, on which are v-neck tops. V-neck tops elongate the upper body and bring focus to the face and the neck. And the best styling tips for these tops are for more dramatic effects. You choose tops with embellishment near the neckline. And we are going to move to the next one, which are structured blouses or soldier details. Tops with soldier parts or other soldier details broaden the upper body, enhancing balance, and this is what you need for a pear body shape. And the best styling tips for these structured blouses are to look for blouses with fitted waist to define the midsection. Now we are going to move to the next one, which are wrap tops. Wrap tops emphasize the waist and can create the appearance of a fuller bust, balancing the hips. And the best styling tips for this is to pair them with straight or wide leg pants for a streamlined and a balanced look. We move to the next kind of tops, which are crop jackets. Jackets that end above the hips bring attention to the waist and the shoulder without widening the lower body. The best tip for these crop jackets are to choose styles with interesting details around the shoulders or neckline for added emphasis. The do's and the don'ts of styling a pear body with tops. And the first do we have is choose top with details like ruffle, puff sleeves, and embellishment around the shoulder. This creates volume to the upper body and balance the wider lower half. Structured or voluminous tops draw the eye upward away from the hips. The next do we are going to have is to opt for v-neck or boot neck tops to broaden the shoulder and balance the proportion. The next one we're going to have is to look for fitted tops that highlight the waist or slightly flare at the hem to flow smoothly over the hips. And now we are going to move to the don'ts. The first don't we have is to avoid overly tight, short or crop tops at the end of the hips, as they can draw attention to the widest part of the body. We are going to move to dresses for pear body shape or styling pear body shape. First we have A-line dresses. A-line dresses are fitted at the top and flare out from the waist, creating a balanced silhouette that accentuates the waist while skimming over the hips. Styling tips for A-line dresses are to choose dresses with interesting details like embellishment or pattern on the bodies to draw the eye upward. The next dress we are going to have are fit and flare dresses. Fit and flare dresses highlight the waist while adding volume to the skirt in a way that flatters the hips and the thighs without clinching. The best styling tips for these fit and flare dresses are to opt for dresses with fitted bodies to enhance the hourglass effect and pair with heels to elongate the legs. Now we are going to move to the next one, which are empire dresses. This line sits just below the butt, drawing attention to the upper body and allowing the dress to fall gracefully over the hips. The best styling tips for these empire dresses are empire dresses with structured tops and softer flowy skirt work best for a balanced look. And now we are going to move to the one soldier dresses. The dresses add interest to the upper body, drawing attention to the soldier and creating a balance. And the best styling tips for this dress is to keep the skirt simple and flowy to balance the statement up without adding bulk. One which are shift dresses with a defined waist. Shift dresses with a fitted or belled waist offer structure to the upper body while skimming over the hips with a streamlined look. The best styling tips for these shift dresses are to add a belt at the waist to emphasize curves and further define the waist. Now we are going to go to the do's and the don'ts of styling a pear shape with dresses. And the first one we have is for fit and flare, wrap or A-line dresses. These styles highlight the waist while gently skimming over the hips. Fit and flare dresses create a balanced look by defining the waist and adding volume to the upper body. Next do you want to put into consideration when styling a pear body shape with dresses. Dresses with embellishment or details on the body such as ruffle or structured soldiers are great for balancing the pear shape. Now let's move to the don't of styling a pear body shape with dresses. And the don't we have is to avoid bodycon dresses or styles that are tight around the hips, as this may overemphasize the lower body. Now let's move to pants that are best for styling pear body shape. And the first pant we have is high-waisted wide leg pants. High-waisted wide leg pants draw attention to the waist and elongate the legs, while the wide leg provides room for the hips, creating a balanced silhouette. High-waisted wide leg pants are stuck in your top or choose a fitted top to emphasize the waist. Now we are going to move to the next one, which is the straight leg pants. The straight leg pants offer a streamlined look that doesn't clinch to the hips and the thighs, creating a balance and lengthening effect. The best styling tip for this straight leg pant is to pair it with heels to elongate the legs even more and choose darker colors to create a slimming effect. Now we are going to move to the next one, which are boot cut pants. Boot cut pants, they flare at the bottom of this pant help to balance the wider hips by drawing attention down towards the ankle. And the best styling tips for these boot cut pants are boot cut pants look great with heels or shoes that elongate the legs and give taller appearance. Now we are going to move to the next one, which is wide leg trouser with structured waist. Wide leg trouser with structured waist offer a soft drape over the hips and the thighs, giving a smooth balanced look without drawing attention to the lower half. The best styling tips for these wide leg trousers are to look for styles with a fitted waist and pleats to highlight the waist and flow gracefully over the hips. Is the last one are dark colored skinny jeans. Skinny jeans in darker shade minimize the appearance of the hips and the thighs. Look for ones with vertical details to elongate the legs. And the best styling tips for a dark colored skinny jean is to wear it with a top that draws attention upwards, such as tops with ruffles, puff sleeves, or bright colors. Now we are going to move to the do's and the don'ts of styling a pear body shape with pants. And the first do we have is styling a pear body shape. You want to add volume to the upper body, define the waist, and opt for bottoms that balance the lower half. Also, you want to experiment with these styling ideas to discover what works best for you, since each individual have their unique take on styling their pear body shape. So guys, that is it for this video. If you've watched up to this point and you enjoyed the video, do not forget to give it a thumbs up. Do not forget to leave a comment down below, and do not forget to subscribe to this channel if you haven't done so. That is it for styling a pear body shape, and see you guys in my next video. Bye.